Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be using my new paint palette by Glam Lite. To start off, we are going to use our concealer by Milani. We're going to go ahead and pat that on the eyelid. As you can see, I'm excited. Oops. Oh, well, on this part right here, my gold color looked like it cracked or something. I don't know. But it's okay now. Now we're going to go ahead and move on. We're going to be using the color Coral with just a regular blending brush. My son is in the background cracking jokes and messing around with me. Anywho, let's go ahead and tap that coral color on the eyelid. We're just going to tap it around just in a circular motion. We will blend in the end, of course. Now I am just blending out the ends so there will be no harsh lines. You want to do the same thing to the other eye and just kind of blend it out. He is really cracking me up. Anyways, we're going to use the orange color now, and we're going to go ahead and just blend that over the top of the color Coral. Now you want to do the same thing and blend that out as well. Now let's go into the color yellow, and we're going to put that on top of the orange color all the way to the brow bone. Then we're going to blend that out like so. Now we're going to be using our NYX liquid liner. Tonight I'll be using my Huda Beauty foundation. Now I'm using my e.l.f. concealer. We're going to go ahead and blend that out. Of course, we can't forget to set. So now we're setting with my J-Cat setting powder. You can use any sponge for this. These sponges I got for like $2 or $3 at the dollar store. I like using these because they're disposable. You can just dump them and you get like a really big pack for like a small fee. Pretty inexpensive, right in my budget. Now I am bronzing. I am going to do a little contour to shape my face. And of course, we cannot forget the neck. Double chin action. Now we are dusting off the excess powder with just a regular powder brush. Now we're going to go ahead and use the same sponge, disposable sponge I had before, and we're going to use the same powder and just continue the contour on the side of my face. Yeah, it's time to take these braids out. But we're gonna go ahead and make them last for this video. We're gonna use some e.l.f. Lip lacquer, and I need some lip plumper on my lips. Is it me or is my foundation looking green? Okay, I'm not liking this. You know what? My face changes colors at times, and I don't know why my skin changes colors. Maybe because the season is changing. Now my foundation seems like it's not my color. I put the wrong one on tonight. Well, this is too much work. I'm not changing now. Moving on. We're going to use some of that purple shimmer color. I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line. We're going to go ahead and do the same to the other eye. We're going to go ahead and put some Pro Style gel on these edges, and we're going to make it work. We're going to make it look halfway decent at least. If I can find my edge brush, just brush it and make the best of a messed up situation. No, I'm just joking. No, go ahead and just, hey, do your baby hairs however you do them. I'm just gonna go ahead and do mine like this just for the video. These braids will be coming out like as soon as this week. We are using some more of that bronzer, and we're going to go ahead and contour my nose. We're going to use some of this. This is not setting spray. This is like it has rose water and some other vitamins in it. This spray is like my best friend when my face feels kind of dry or whatever, especially after putting Huda Beauty. Sometimes my face gets really dry with that, so I spray with this spray, and it kind of moisturizes my face while I'm still doing my makeup. And you know what? You can use this spray during throughout the day as well. Now we're going to go ahead and use that brown color in the palette and just kind of go, let's see, like in the corner of your eye, just kind of blend it out a little bit. I wasn't satisfied with my look, so I kind of wanted to add a little more shadow. Now I'm just putting highlighter. I'm using my Creme de la Creme from ColourPop, and I'm just highlighting all the areas that need to be highlighted. The nose, cheekbone, and off camera I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyeliner on and eyelashes. I even went and put lipstick on. Now we're gonna go ahead and use my glitter from To Die For Cosmetics. We're gonna put a little bit of what is the name of it? I can't even think of the name, but we're gonna go ahead and put some glitter on the eyelid. Like I said before, I wasn't satisfied with the eye shadow look. I felt like I wanted it to pop a little more, so I put a little shadow on. I can't even think of what I used to apply the glitter. Oh, liquid sugar, that's right. How could I forget that? Yeah, I use a little liquid sugar, and I believe Morphe has it now, but you can go ahead and Google it, and you should be able to find it on there. I've had it for so long, I don't remember where I ordered it. Now, at this point, I don't know what I'm singing, but I think I'm feeling myself. Hold on, let's see, let's pose. Ooh, get it. Hey. So you guys do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.